some people listening to this might be skeptical about the effectiveness of natural supplements. I know a lot of people, especially patients of mine that come and see me, they ask me about pharmaceutical alternatives, and sometimes there's mistrust of natural supplements. So how do you address their concerns? And in your experience, like how is it possible to build trust about the effectiveness of your products?
Definitely. So this kind of comes down to a strong question, and I'd like to talk about our manufacturing processes and who we work with on that because I think it's crucial. So short answer is inside the world of supplements, there are probably a dozen really big manufacturers in the entire nation. These are gigantic, like million square foot warehouses with machinery that cost more than a fancy house, $1 million machines that are doing this kind of stuff. I've had the lucky pleasure to go out and tour 4 of these facilities, and I found 3 of them as partners for our different products. Why do I have different manufacturers for our company, not just one? Is because they're not all specialists at what they do. So our Moringa comes from one particular manufacturer, which is located in Utah, and they are an incredible manufacturer, giant facility. Again, those $1 million machines. This is one of their specialty products that they work with, and they source their ingredients, and they're just seem to be best at it. Right, the products we get from them are so much for Moringa are so much better than the other manufacturers that give us in samples. That's why we chose to go with them. So in the supplement world, there's not as much variety as we might think. If you go on Amazon, if you go to the grocery store, if you go to Walmart, it's probably coming from one of 12 manufacturers. It's absolutely bonkers to kind of wrap your brain around that. So we go out and choose each manufacturer for the particular product we're using to make sure that we have the best consistency in product. Now, a little information about the industry too. These facilities are all FDA registered, meaning they get surprise inspections from inspectors walking in, just like a restaurant would from the health department, and they give them a score and they make sure they have to fulfill all the quality and health requirements to manufacture these food products that we are consuming, right? Because supplements are food. People tend to forget that it's not a pill, right? It's not something that's been chemically changed, stuff like that. This is just condensed food or of specific parts of a food pulled out that you're having in higher doses. So they have to follow all those requirements. They have to follow good manufacturing partners, GMP certifications, and then a few of them are also organic certified as well. So we're choosing the right manufacturer for the right product for consistency and also, of course, for speed and getting it delivered to you. Last thing I want to do is have you buy some products and tell you, oh, we're out of stock for the next 3 months. I'll let you know when we get it in. No, I like to work with partners that actually can do it correctly.